Have you ever wondered which small manufacturing business will still be profitable in 2026? Which ideas are worth your time and money and which ones will fade away? With so many industries shifting, technology, sustainability, global trade, it feels overwhelming to pick the right direction. In this video, we are sharing 20 small manufacturing business ideas for 2026. Number 1, smart, eco-friendly packaging materials for global e-commerce and retail. Number 2, plant-based protein snacks, manufacturing targeting health-conscious international consumers. Number 3, solar-powered portable charging devices for travelers and remote workers. Number 4, biodegradable cutlery and plates manufacturing for eco-conscious food businesses worldwide. Number 5, customized 3D printed footwear production catering to international fashion markets. Number 6, recycled plastic furniture manufacturing targeting affordable, sustainable housing projects globally. Number 7, organic skincare and cosmetics manufacturing using locally sourced natural ingredients. Number 8, compact water purification systems for rural areas and developing countries. Number 9, smart home automation devices manufacturing for global middle-class families. Number 10, electric bicycle parts production targeting sustainable transportation worldwide. Number 11, bamboo-based textiles and fabrics manufacturing for international fashion industries. Number 12, AI-powered educational toys manufacturing targeting global parents and schools. Number 13, portable medical diagnostic kits manufacturing for underserved international communities. Number 14, upcycled clothing and accessories production for eco-friendly fashion enthusiasts worldwide. Number 15, modular tiny homes manufacturing catering to affordable global housing needs. Number 16, smart kitchen appliances manufacturing designed for modern international households. Number 17, vertical farming kits, production targeting urban gardening across global cities. Number 18, solar-powered desalination systems manufacturing for water-scarce coastal countries. Number 19, lightweight drone components production catering to agriculture and logistics industries. And number 20, noise-canceling smart earplugs manufacturing targeting global remote workers and travelers. If you found this video helpful, then like, share, and subscribe this channel to get future videos. Thank you for watching.